This is day 8 of walking from Paris to Sparta! Yesterday pushed me to my limits, so today I feel like nothing can break me. Let's see where the path leads. New obstacle unlocked. I was really hoping this bar would be open, get a nice drink, maybe a little food, but I am in a very quiet town and nothing's open, so we move on. Currently set up by an apple orchard. Gonna steal some apples probably. Watching a beautiful sunset. And I'm about to set up my camp. So I'm gonna head to bed soon. I'm tired. I love you guys. Sleep well. Mwah.